Think AI is just for tech wizards in hoodies coding in a dark basement? Think again. AI isn't here to replace you. It's basically an overcaffeinated intern ready to help you work smarter, not harder. But to use it, you need 3 specific skills. Skill number 1 is the art of asking, technically called prompt engineering. AI is smart, but it can't read your mind. If you ask for a recipe, you might get boiled cabbage. If you ask for a spicy 10-minute pasta recipe for 2, you get dinner. Learning to speak clearly to the bot is the new superpower. Skill number 2 is what I call the lazy superpower, or automation. You know those boring tasks you do every day? Like copying emails into a spreadsheet? There are tools now that let you connect your apps together, like digital Legos. You set it up once, and the AI does the boring stuff while you actually enjoy your coffee. And finally, skill number 3, the BS detector. In the tech world, they call this AI ethics and risk. AI makes mistakes. It can be biased or just plain wrong. Your job isn't to trust it blindly, it's to be the editor, the human who checks the work and makes sure it's safe, fair, and actually makes sense. So don't fear the robot. Talk to it, automate the boring stuff, and check its work. That's the AI advantage. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more tips on surviving the future.